Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to sign out of all active sessions on the Booking.com app. This can help protect your account if you've logged in on someone else's phone or just want extra security. Open the Booking.com app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Security Settings. Tap on Active Sessions. Tap the Sign Out button to log out of all devices instantly. This will ensure that your account is only active on your current device, giving you full control and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video.